Hello everyone. So now I'm going to demo our project, remote medical monitor. So this one is our GR PEACH board. So we add one attachment board and 5 sensors here. So I am going to introduce these 5 sensors one by one. Okay, so this one is the motion sensor, so it can detect the person is if a person is approaching and moving nearby, it will send a signal to the device. And this one is the temperature sensor, and this one is the vibration sensor. This one is to detect the person if the person is falling down. And this one is the heart rate sensor. It can detect the person's heart rate. This one is the humidity sensor. It can detect the room humidity. And we also have an emergency button here. So if the patient is press this button, you will send a notification to the app. Okay, so for our device, we also have a link cable connect to the internet. So our solution is using AWS cloud. So every message we will send to the AWS backend server. For example, the temperature every minute you will send one message to the database, and for the other sensor also, if the sensor detects some active information, it will also send the message to the AWS database. So for example, you can see this one is the AWS database. So you will see all the data is here. Okay, next we are going to demo the application. Okay, so this is the front page of the application. Because we have 5 sensors, so you will see there are 5 kind of functionality here. Okay, so for example, first one is detecting the heart rate, and second one is the temperature, third one is the humidity, and the fourth one is the detect the person is moving or not, and the fifth one is the detect the person if the person is falling down. Okay, for example, if I approach the moving sensor, so we will see the number is changing. So the number here is the real-time number. So the sensor is sending the signal every minute if the signal is active. So for example, another one is the vibration sensor. So if the person is falling down, so it will have a signal on the vibration sensor. Okay, also for every channel we can see all the history data. For example, this one is the heart rate. You can see all the heart rate data previously. So if you touch on the signal, you will see the exact date and the value of the heart rate. You also can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, for example, the temperature sensor, we can review the previous data page by page. If I touch the arrow on the top of the screen, okay, so we can review all the history data, and we also can review and see the exact, zoom in to see the exact number. So you will see the exact value at every moment. Okay. Next one, we will demo the alert function. So we can define the range of every sensor. For example, now we are defining the range. We modify the range to the temperature to, for example, 32 degrees. So if the temperature is higher than this maximum value, so you will send a notification to the application. So now I'm holding the sensor, so it need to take some time. Okay, so maybe before that, we will see the user function page. So this one is the function, some basic function of the user. We can set the user ID. So for example, the patient, they have several children. So this one is one of the children is using. So different the different user, they will have a different user ID and the mobile number. Okay, so now we can see we receive a notification if the temperature higher to 32 degrees. So we will have this notification. So it will notify you the temperature is higher than what is the temperature at the moment and the timing. So you can click note it, then you will become okay. We also can see all the history data from here. So you can see this is all the history data. Okay. So we going back to this user page. So this is a mobile number. So for this mobile number is the purpose is to setting the mobile number. So when we receive emergency, when user press the emergency button, so it will send a SMS to the handphone also, and the information is the device ID. That means is the device ID matching to the device. So every device will have this device ID. Our last demo is the emergency button. So now I'm going to press the emergency button. So you will see if the emergency button is pressed, we will receive a notification, and the notification message will display here, and the timing also, the user will receive a SMS. So this one is the SMS. So if the user is not going to press the accept button, so we will the device will send the message again every 5 minutes. For example, this is the history of the message we received. So you can see this is one example. Exactly 5 minutes, we will send the message again. So if the person accept, that means you are going to help the patient. So you will press accept, then you will not receive the message again. So it will reset to the device. Device will not going to send the message again. Okay, so that's all our demo today.